Blast injuries. What are blast injuries? When an explosion occurs, people are frequently injured. The ongoing wars in Iraq and Afghanistan have resulted in thousands of people being injured by explosions. Unfortunately, we see news stories about roadside bombs, improvised explosive devices, or suicide bombers practically every day. Doctors are beginning to better understand how people are injured during explosions, and this knowledge has resulted in better treatment. What causes a blast injury? A blast injury is harm done to a person from an explosion. Today, explosions happen both on the battlefield and in cities around the world. Terrorists have become very good at placing explosives in crowded areas, causing harm to large numbers of innocent people. In today's world, all doctors, regardless of where they live, should be familiar with the basics of blast injuries. In traditional warfare, there are obviously many causes of explosions. Bombs, grenades, missiles, and landmines have been around for decades, or even centuries. Military physicians have been dealing with blast injuries since the beginning of modern warfare. Recently, terrorists have started using other methods of hurting large numbers of people with explosions. In Iraq and Afghanistan, roadside bombs are often used to injure soldiers while driving. These bombs are becoming more and more sophisticated, with some now using advanced shape charges to penetrate even the thickest vehicle armor. Some roadside bombs even use very complicated electronic sensors to set them off. Suicide bombers are also used by terrorists to kill and injure people. The suicide bomber hides explosives under his or her clothing, then tries to get close to their target, and then blows up the explosives. The target can be one person or a large group of people. Vehicles can also be used as bombs. Cars or trucks can be filled with explosives and driven into or parked beside a target, then detonated. The Oklahoma City Federal Building was destroyed by a truck filled with explosives in 1995. 168 people were killed, and many more were injured. Today, car bombs are frequently used by terrorists in Iraq and have killed countless innocent Iraqi civilians. But there are frequently explosions that are not caused by war or terrorism. Industrial accidents, such as explosions in factories, occur regularly. Explosions are also often part of a car, train, or plane crashes. Fires in buildings often result in explosions when fuel or gas ignites. As we will see, regardless of the cause of the explosion, injuries can result for many reasons.